Hello, and welcome to the Social Engineering and Phishing course.
Let's try to create malware which cannot be detected by the security systems. Go to the FATRAT folder and run FATRAT script. Okay, there are several different methods to create backdoors using the FATRAT.
This time, I'd like to create a malware using PWN-Wins, the option 6.
We are now in the main menu of the FATRAT tool. Type 6 and hit Enter to use PWN-Wins to create the malware at this time. PWN module menu appears. There are different options here to create an exec, batch, or PDF file. I'd like to use the second option to create an executable malware. Now, when I type 2 and hit Enter, it gives the IP information of my system and asks for the listener host. Enter the L host, the IP of your Kali, and L port. This time I use 6666. Use whatever you want. Base name for output files, I use the same format, 01-23-02. Again, I choose the third payload, reverse_TCP. The backdoor is saved to the output folder. Now let's go to the victim machine and transfer the file using WinSCP. Before transferring the new malware into the victim machine, be sure that Windows Defender is running. I open the Action Center and turn on Windows Defender. Okay, it's running. I can transfer our new malware now. No. Defender detected our new malware. Well, we should try another method. The FATRAT is very powerful, and I'm sure we can find a way to bypass the Defender. I'll try another method of PWN-Wins, the sixth option of the main menu. This time, I choose the fourth option in PWN-Wins menu. I'll again create a malicious executable with a different method. Inputs are all the same, L host first, then L port. I choose 7777 this time, and the base name of the output files. I chose the reverse TCP as the payload, the third option. And done. The output file is created. Let's go back to the victim machine, refresh the Kali side of WinSCP, and drag the newest malware into Windows Desktop. As you see at the lower right-hand corner, Windows Defender is running. And it couldn't detect our malware this time. Well done! We overcame it with the first problem, bypassed the security system. Now, the main question is, does the malware work? I mean, do we have the back door? So at this point, we go back to Kali and start a listener. Start the MSF console. Type use exploit/multi/handler to use the handler. Set the payload, the same one we used in the malware. To be sure, I prefer to copy the payload from the FATRAT terminal and paste it. Set lhost, the IP address of Kali, and L port. Remember, that was 7777. Start the handler. Go to the Windows machine and run the malware by double-clicking on it. Back to the Kali machine, and a new Meterpreter session is open. Now we can say, victory is ours.